This is baby Anya.
Hi, baby.
She likes you. She knows you're her big sister.
Hi, baby.
Claire likes her.
Christine.
I have a present for you.
Oh.
Present.
Right, what we're talking.
Come on, present.
Better than a
Where
baby.
is it, Mom? You missed that.
What's your open it?
Ask her who it's
from.
Who's it from, Claire? Who's this from? Baby sister Anya.
Open it.
Okay, let's open it. Here, Grandma will help you start.
Right, John, we're building video footage of me.
See right here, can you tear it?
I'm gonna get in there.
Open it.
Yeah.
Open it.
What is it, Claire?
So,
Open it.
Uh-oh.
this is a cute baby John Horseman. Congratulations.
Oh my god.
Claire, say it again.
You say, oh my gosh?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.